In today's tutorial, we will be covering what is A-B testing and when do we conduct A-B testing. Uh, let's imagine you are a chef creating a new menu for your restaurant. You serve two variations of the same dish to diners. Let's say one is version A, maybe it's something zingy lemon twist, and the other one is version 2. Let's consider it as smoky barbecue. You want to know which one gets rave reviews. That's the essence of A-B testing in digital products, comparing two versions of something like a web page or a marketing email to see which one performs better. So, for example, Amazon tested different button layouts, sorry, just different layouts for their add to cart button, finding that a more prominent design increased sales by millions. So, why A-B testing matters? Data doesn't lie, but assumptions can mislead. So, A-B testing saves you from relying on hunches. It's your secret weapon to make decisions backed by evidence. Did you know that even a small tweak like changing a CTA from buy now to get started can boost conversions by up to 30%? These incremental improvements can snowball into massive wins. Let's understand the benefits of A-B testing. Firstly, it optimizes user experience by tailoring designs to user preferences. Second thing is that it reduces risks by testing changes on a smaller audience before full scale implementation. Let's understand the types of A-B testing. Firstly, you need to know that not all A-B tests are created equal. So there is classic A-B test, simple and effective for single variable comparison. Then there is multivariate testing, which is like solving a Rubik's cube. You are analyzing multiple changes at once to see how they interact. And finally, there is split URL testing, where two entirely different web pages are compared. It's like deciding between completely different outfits for big event. So let's simplify this. Classic A/B testing is basically comparing two versions of a single element, like button colors. Second thing, we have multivariate, wherein you test multiple elements simultaneously. For example, headline plus image. Lastly, we have split URL testing, wherein we compare two entirely different pages. Let's see the steps for conducting usability testing. Sorry, A/B testing. A/B testing is like crafting a scientific experiment. First, identify that you are what you are testing. This could be as simple as changing a headline. Next, define your goal. What metric will define success? Then split your audience randomly, and you need to ensure that both groups are representatives. Finally, run the test and analyze the result. Remember, statistical significance is your best friend. It tells you if your results are real or just a fluke. So, so you need to start by identifying the variable. For example, button color, call to action text. Then you need to set a goal like matrix like click through rate, bounce rate, or conversion rate. Then you need to divide the audience. You can use tools like Optimizely, Google Optimize for doing this. Then you have to run the test. Also, you need to ensure that the test duration is long enough for meaningful data. And lastly, you need to analyze the results. Let's have a look at the tools that we need to use for A/B testing. Think of A/B testing tools as your lab equipment. There are platforms like Google, Optimize, Optimizely, and VWO, which makes it easy to set up and analyze tests. These tools don't just give you raw data, they offer insights that guide your next steps. So choose a tool based on your team's technical expertise and the complexity of your tests. So A/B testing isn't foolproof. For example, running a test too short can give misleading results, while testing too many variables once makes it impossible to know what caused the change. And let's not forget the confirmation bias, the tendency to favor result that aligns with your expectation. So what is the solution for all this? Is that you need to be patient and stay objective and let the data guide you. Let's check out the case studies of successful A/B testing. So, first of all, let me share a quick story. Airbnb once tested a homepage that included a prominent search bar versus a version without it. What was the result of it? The search version led to 10 times higher conversion rate. This simple change translated into millions of dollars in revenue. It's amazing how even small tweaks can benefit or give huge results. So, this is the first example of Airbnb who enhanced their search bar placement and increased their bookings. Then we have HubSpot who tested their CTA button, call to action text, and boosted their clicks by 13%. And we all know Spotify. Spotify also did A/B testing on their playlist recommendation, and they improved their user retention. So, key metrics for A/B testing. Metrics are your compass in A/B testing. Click through rates tell you if users are engaging with your content. while conversion rates reveal how many take the desired action, and the bounce rate highlight areas where users lose their interest. But don't stop there. Combine quantitative metrics with qualitative insights for a complete picture. So, in conclusion, A B testing is an iterative process. It's about progress and not perfection. You need to share insights with your team to foster a culture of data driven decision making. So, A B testing isn't just a tool, it's a mindset of continuous improvement. It empowers you to experiment, learn, and then refine your product based on the real user behavior. The journey doesn't end with one test, it's an ongoing cycle of iterations and optimization. So, start small, you need to think big, and let data pave the way to success. That's all for this tutorial.